Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to show your LinkedIn profile characteristics when viewing other profiles on your PC using the latest LinkedIn update. If you want to make your presence known while browsing, or simply want to adjust your privacy settings, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control everything related to your account's privacy and visibility. Once you're in the settings area, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Visibility section. Click on it to expand more options. Within the Visibility section, you'll see an option called Profile Viewing Options. Click on this to manage how your profile appears when you view someone else's page. Here, you'll see a few choices. To show your LinkedIn characteristics, select Private Profile Characteristics. This option allows others to see information like your job title and company when you view their profile, without revealing your full identity. After you select this setting, your profile characteristics will be visible to others as you browse their profiles. This is a great way to let people know who's interested in their work, while still maintaining a level of privacy. And that's it. You've now updated your LinkedIn settings to show your profile characteristics when viewing other profiles on your PC. If you ever want to change this back, just follow these steps again and choose a different option. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your LinkedIn experience. See you in the next video.